Hey guys, what's going on? Today's a quick little video on how to change the battery in a keyless pad of a safe. What I've actually got here is a Stack-On Elite kind of closet safe. This thing's probably about 3 feet by 2 feet, give or take. Love the compactness of it. It's a heavy sucker. It's just for in the house, nothing terribly big that you want in there. But anyway, this is just to tidy up how to change the battery. It runs off a standard 9-volt battery in this keypad. Of course, you don't want them to corrode over time, so you want to make sure these get changed a lot. But not only that, you'll actually know when they're starting to go bad by these lights. Of course, I've got green, orange, and red. Green obviously lets me know that I can get in there and the battery's good. Of course, orange will start telling me that things are getting a little low in there, and of course, red, things are getting pretty bad and you need to change it. But nonetheless, like I said, you don't want those to sit and start to corrode and start ruining those connections in there. So anyway, you just kind of grab the dial, and I'm gonna go counterclockwise, and I'm gonna peel it back. And you can see the inside. There is not much to these at all. Obviously, you just come in here, grab the 9-volt, peel off the thing like an old one of the old school toys back in the day. Come in here, pop the positive and negatives back on there, and there you go. And you can see I've started to have mine get just a little bit corroded in there. I might come in here with some alcohol and try to clean that up a little bit of that battery acid corrosion, just because the battery's been in there a lot. But like I said, one of the things that I want to prevent is I want to change these a lot more often. So I thought I'd show you guys a quick video. Sometimes they're not very easy to get off. Sometimes it takes a little extra. And of course, we're going to put it back at a little bit of an angle. And you can kind of hear the little click in there, and you can tell it's back on there sturdy. Sometimes I take a little bit of wiggling. So, but yeah, definitely counterclockwise on this one, back to clockwise for a lock. I'm sure most of them are pretty standard in that procedure. But anyway, hope you guys like that. Hope it helps you guys out, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. See you guys.